Yo guys, welcome back to Cryptoria. Today I'm going to be covering Open DAO, but before I do, I would appreciate if you like, subscribe and turn on bell notifications so you know when I upload. And with that being said, let's get into this video. So guys, yes, Open DAO, otherwise known as SOS, what everyone's been talking about on Twitter, OpenSea and so on. So I do want to cover a bit more about what it is. So you can see here, current ranking is 285, so it's doing really well at the moment. I will be going over the website later on as well. Current price, as you guys can see, is down nearly 5% over the last 24 hours, just circling over that 0.000061 level. So it's doing really well at the moment, especially as it is a fairly new token as well. Current market cap is just over that 240 million and circulating volume is over that 137 million as well. So you can see over here there was a fairly new token, as I did mention. It is literally a week old, and you can see here it did have that massive surge breaking that 0 cent level, and it did unfortunately dip all the way down to where it's at the moment. But we'll be covering on where I see price going to as well. In terms of where you guys can buy it, they are pretty much listed on a lot of exchanges at the moment, so you could trade against the USDT or on Uniswap against Ethereum as well. So there is a lot of exchanges you could go ahead and look into as well. So guys, I will be jumping over onto a website now. So what everyone's been talking about, the free SOS airdrop, what everyone's been talking about and what everyone's been hyping about this project as well, in terms of what OpenSea is not providing. So you can see here, introducing the SOS token, the token for the largest NFT community to pay tribute, to protect, to promote. So once you do click on initiate claims, you can see here I've already connected one of my wallets just to show you how much rewards I'll be getting. So going down here, you can see here claim, connect your wallet. It does show you your wallet address as well, and it does tell you if you're eligible or not eligible for this airdrop. So in order to be eligible for this airdrop, you need to have a number amount of transactions on it just to see if you're actually using OpenSea as intended to. So you can see here the amount of Ethereum I spent on my OpenSea account is around 0.09, and the amount of transactions only 2, so not very, a large amount of transactions on this account. So it does show you that you could do a minimal amount of transaction as well in order to get this airdrop as well. So you can see here the amount of SOS rewards I'm getting is around 2.4 million. So putting that down into perspective, so if I do what it does show you over here, so around that amount of money in terms of the SOS airdrops, and in terms of what the price at the moment, so it's around 50 at the moment, so around that, and then 6 and 9 roughly. So I'll be able to get around $16, which doesn't sound a lot, but as I said guys, it is a free airdrop. And if the price goes up in terms of the Open DAO platform, if this price goes up say by 100x roughly, that is the amount of money I'll be getting in terms of free money. That's a free 1.6 thousand pounds or dollars, whatever it is. So just think about it in perspective guys, especially when everyone's talking about this project. A lot of people are buying into it as well, even if they don't have transactions already. I do see a lot of people buying it just because they see a lot of future with this project as well. So then what you do there is then obviously you can share your results as well, and you can add SOS onto your MetaMask wallet as well. So that is pretty much how to do it as well. In terms of distribution, you can see over here as well guys, SOS is grateful to all NFT creators, collectors and markets for retouring the entire NFT ecosystem. Special thanks goes to OpenSea for its leadership in promoting NFT trading. To pay tribute, we have chosen OpenSea collectors to conduct our airdrops. So the SOS token distribution, there will be 100 trillion tokens of SOS tokens, and the distribution as follows. So 50% airdrop to OpenSea users, 20% staking incentive, 20% Open DAO, 10% liquidity pool incentives as well. So in terms of Open DAO, you can see here 20% of SOS is allocated to the Open DAO. It will compensate verified scam victims on OpenSea with SOS, support emerging artists and their original work, support NFT communities, support art preservation, developer grant for participating in the SOS ecosystem as well. So it does go back into the project and into the community as well, so it's all good over there as well. In terms of airdrop for OpenSea users, 50% of all SOS tokens will be distributed distributed to all addresses that will have traded on the OpenSea since day one. The snapshot is taken on the 23rd of December 2021 at block 138-58107. The distribute is based on the total number of transactions, 30% weight, and the transaction volume of ETH, DAA, and USDC, 70% weight on OpenSea. Users have until 30th of June 2022 to claim their tokens, after which any remaining tokens will be sent to a DAO treasury. So you can see here in terms of the pie chart as well how everything's done as well. So in terms of the ecosystem, 50% of the airdrop, 10% liquidity pool, 20% goes to Open DAO, 20% stake incentive as well. So hopefully that does give you a bit more of insight of what it is, but it does say you have until 2022. So I don't think this will be still there, because especially when I will talk about later on this video as well in terms of where this money's already gone, and nearly up to 70% of all the token distribution already gone. So I don't think this is a likely target, especially I do see all of it going by, you know, in the next couple of months or so. But you have time in order to get this free airdrop as well, and especially if you are making a lot of transactions on your OpenSea account, it is a good way to getting involved in this project as well. So guys, I will be jumping over to the Ethereum scan now. Before I jump over on some recent news and a price prediction, I just want to show you the amount of holders that's already on this project. So amazing. You can see here over 213,000 holders on this project, and it's literally a week old. So you can see here the amount of people already holding, and in terms of the massive amount of transactions, as the title already claims, as I did say, earn up to 6 figures on free money. So literally jumping over onto this, you can see here I have sorted this out already. This literally from last week until today, you can see here the amount of people that's been holding in terms of transactions. So you can see here, just going over to this example as well, for the first one, this seems to be the biggest one. Comment obviously below if I'm wrong, but you can see here, if I just put this down into perspective, you can see here the amount of money this guy is getting, or girl is getting. So you can see here that is literally the amount of transactions made in terms of the token prices of the world. So that is 5 zeros over as well. Rough price, look, bang, literally over $250,000 worth to be claimed, and they've been claimed. So you can see here over 6 figures. So this is amazing. This is huge. You can see it by the excitement by my voice, the amount of money that people have been claiming. But I'm pretty sure this is a massive whale in the NFT market, multiple transactions with, you know, huge projects as well. So you can see the amount of money they're getting back as well. Literally, return on investment is huge over here as well. So this is just an example. You can think of all of these as well. Multiple people getting 6 figures, 5 figures, 4 figures, and so on. So this is huge. I just want to put this into perspective, guys. So that is amazing. If you do want to go check that out as well, literally click on this as well. Download XPS to export, and you can see the amount of people holding this as well. So in terms of recent news as well, guys, as I did mention previously, I don't think it's going to be many people left to claim this as well. You can see here 77.8% have already claimed their SOS tokens. The community has spoken SOS. So you got not long to go before all this is gone. So go ahead and check this out as well, guys, especially if you are active on OpenSea. It's just a way of getting involved in this project as well, and, you know, getting some free cash out of it as well. And obviously if you want to hold this project and see if there's a potential 100x, which I do see happening, just because it's a low market gem, it is a good way to get involved and hodl as well. So guys, I will be jumping onto price prediction now. So guys, yes, what everyone's been waiting for, the price prediction. Just because, guys, this is a fairly new token, I don't want to cover too much into it, just because there isn't much data available anyway. So I do want to just show you what I see in terms of the price going to. So there is that nice resistance level over here. You can see here it does seem to be retracing back down. So if I do mark out this Fibonacci level, you can see over here as well, guys, it does seem to be retracing back down towards these key levels around that 38.2, 50% level as well. So what I do see happening, there is that multiple level of support is being formed around this level here. So if that supported level is being formed and does being held and being respected, I do see a push back up towards those high and towards an all new time high as well. So that is what I'm thinking as well. So hopefully it does obey this, and you can see here it does seem to be retracing nicely as well. There is that channel over here formed as well. So that is what I'm thinking pretty much in terms of this project. You can see here there isn't really much data available. You can see this is literally all you have available, just because, as I said, it is a very new token. So this is all I could literally give you guys at the moment. So that is pretty much what I'm thinking. So just wait for a nice retracement here, nice little bit of support formed. You can see nearly a double bottom pattern formed over here as well, and that support does seem to be holding as well. So if this does break this, I don't see that support being formed. Maybe wait for a re-entry around that 61.8 level, 50% level before going up towards those new highs, and hopefully a new all-time high, break that zero again. This is what I've been waiting for around this level here. So guys, that is literally all I have to say about the price prediction. Let's see what this project has to hold in the next couple of weeks and the next couple of months as well, and I do see that airdrop finishing fairly soon as well. So guys, I'm going to wrap the video up here. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications so you know when I upload. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next video.